Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients. So it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you.
VivoPools has been cleaning my pool in North Hollywood for almost 5 years. I can honestly say this company provides the best service I have ever had when it comes to my pool. My guy, Richard Figueroa, is awesome. I have had disastrous experiences in the past. I've had a pool companies turn my pool green. Seriously, I'm never leaving Vivo. I recommend these guys to everyone.
So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? See what excellent results we can achieve working for you by utilizing our extensive knowledge and experience. We appreciate you stopping by, and we're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.